Hi, this is Lucy Bilik-Hill with Coldwell Banker once again. I wanted to tell you about my new listing at 4831 Summer Lane. So here's a very charming single family home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and the kitchen has been redone last year. New cabinetry, flooring, new fridge, and a new stove. Also, the bathroom has been redone last year as well. We have new cabinets, new tiles, new tub, and new flooring as well. Here we have first of the 3 bedrooms with the hardwood floor. Here we have a second bedroom with the hardwood floor on the first level. As we go up to the second level, there's a carpeted stairs and a large big bedroom. So it could be a master, it could be whatever you want it to be. A playroom, an office, a kid's room, anything you want to be. If you are interested in getting private showing, please call me at 440-537-0586 or email me at realtorlucybh@gmail.com and I'll try to assist you. Have a great day.